Welcome to Mad Scientist with Mr. Butch. Today we're going to do an experiment that is called walking water. And I think you're going to like this one. We have 7 cups, and we have 4 different colors. Excuse me, 3 different colors of food coloring, but we're going to put it into 4 different ones. We're going to have red, nothing, blue, nothing, yellow, nothing, and then red again on the end. So I'm going to take my food coloring out that I've already got put in the cups. I'm going to fill up my cups about 3/4 with water. Oops. Sorry about that. There we go. Got to have an empty one in between them. We just need 4 cups with water in it and 3 with none. All right. We're now going to take our red food coloring and we're going to put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't matter which direction you want to go. I am going to put the blue here, so 5 drops of blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put 5 drops of yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I'll be back in a second after I've stirred these up. All right. Now comes the next step in our process, where we take paper towels and we fold them till double it just one time until it is about 1.5 inches or so, and you stick one end in the yellow and then one end into the empty one. Then you take one end of the blue and you stick it in with the one you've got the yellow going to. Like this. Alright, then we're going to take blue and we're going to go into this one beside it and do it again from the red into this one. And we're going to do the same thing at this end. We're going to go from yellow into empty. And we're going to go from red into this empty. And let's see what we get. I'll be back in about 5 minutes so that we can see what has happened in our cups and in our paper towels. Be back in a minute. All right, this is what it looks like. You can see the yellow moving up the table, the paper towel. As you can see, they're getting close to touching each other, so we'll be back in a few minutes and see what happens. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, and look what's happened. The red has gone into here, and the yellow has gone into here. Red and yellow make orange. The yellow has gone into here. The blue has gone into here, and we have green, because yellow and blue make green. Blue went into here, red went into here, red and blue make purple. So it's called walking water, because you're walking from one cup to another. You can try this at home. You can use mason jars. You can use, like I did, clear plastic cups. And this is just regular food coloring water. And the more absorbent paper towels you have, the quicker the experiment will be. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see our results real quick. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. And blue and red make purple. That's our Mad Scientist Club. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try the walking water experiment at home. Bye, boys and girls.